Hey guys, it's Linda back again with another video. So for today's video, I have a hair tutorial for you. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, stay tuned and you can learn how to create a nice little wavy and teased voluminous look. So the tools that we're going to be using today are, I have this Conair 1.5 inch barrel curling iron. And it looks like this. I love big 1-inch barrels like this because it gives you the nice, loose waves instead of the tight curls. So this is really what's key for today's hair tutorial. I also have just a standard brush and a teasing comb. I live by these. And any hairspray of your choice. This is my favorite one for teasing and volume, and it smells really good. I started by turning on the curling iron and putting it to the setting that I'd like, and I'm just gonna let this warm up and then get started. What I like to do when I'm doing these types of waves is just part my hair in half and then just brush through. I am wearing a new mic, so I'm trying to be mindful to not brush against it and make any unnecessary noise. So excuse me if I do happen to do that. So I'm just going to grab my first strand of hair, and what I like to do is, especially for the front, I like to curl away from the face. So we're gonna grab this and I spiral it around and then clamp it. This heats up really fast, so it doesn't even need to stay on that long. Let it go, and this is what we got. A nice big wave, and I'm going to do the rest of this half. The sections can be any size. Sometimes I like to do variations of small and large sections. So for the front, I like to do like a nice small section, and then the rest I do bigger sections. And I like to throw in a nice little small section here and there just to give a variety and a more natural look. I have this half done. So what we're gonna do is spray it. Secret to not have, crunchy hairsprayed hair is to only spray the inside. That's where I like to spray my hairspray. I don't spray on the outside so that I don't mess up the nice waves that I got going on here. Now I'm going to finish off doing the other side and I will show you once I'm done. Okay, so this side is all done and I'm going to spray it like I did this side. Only on the inside, like I said. I'm gonna give it a moment to dry. This is not the finished look. Combing back a little bit of the hair. We're going to get it ready to tease. I'm going to grab a small section on the crown of the head. A section this big. We're going to back comb using our teasing comb. And I'm going to start at the bottom, working my way up, and you're just gonna go up and down. Then I add spray to the back and then continue more back combing. And then when you let it go, it should look like this. Snooky poof. Let that fall forward and grab another section behind that section. And repeat the same steps. And let that fall forward, and one more section behind that. Okay, now we push it all back and you should be left with a really big poof. We're going to grab a section off of the side and repeat those steps this way. So we have volume on the side. We're going to do this side next. Once you have your teased hair, we're gonna brush it out. You don't want to brush out the waves, so we're just brushing out the top to tame the tease a little bit. And as you can see, we still have the waves in our hair. Once we comb that out, we have some nice big hair, and our waves are still here at the bottom. You can see that they're still nice and wavy. And we're going to tame these little flyaway hairs by lightly spritzing our hairspray once more. I'm not going to brush down. I'm kind of going to use the back to just tap the spray down because I don't want to mess up the tease, but I want to tame the little flyaways. So we are done here. We have some nice volume in our hair on top. It's just a really nice, effortless, wavy look. This is my go-to style for, you know, just natural, pretty wavy hair. And you can style it up, you can dress it down, and it's perfect for any occasion, really. So we finished our look and we made it to the end of this video. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little bell after you've subscribed so you can get notifications every time I upload new videos. I like to post videos every Tuesday and Friday. And if you have any recommendations for new videos, I would love to hear them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.